Gonna go to spin class this morning, get the week off to a good start. I tend to start my weeks on Sundays just because that's how my first job did, and I just feel like it's a good day to start your week, because you're usually sad about starting work on a Monday, so let's not start with sadness. All of this, it's clean, dry, and need to go away today. We're having a productive day today. You can tell it's actually got strawberries in it. Definitely a handful there, isn't it? Thank you. Wow. We're off now to get Jamie's phone fixed. The screen is awful. We weren't going to get it done, but now from later this week we have to use a QR code to get into the gym, so it needs to be done. Town is dead. Smile. The size. It's about time though, because you've had that fixed at that place about 5 times in this year.
It's an investment.
Hello and welcome back. Today it's a little bit different to holidays in Tenerife, but we're doing a little day in the life. It's a Sunday today, so it's a day to get everything back to normal, back to work tomorrow. So it'd be nice to have everything or most things done, like washing, all of the holiday stuff away, and just a tidy house, because when we were away we escalated our dishwasher because it had dropped a little bit. We're in a new build and things just keep going wrong, but that's a whole nother video. But yeah, the dishwasher man came out and unfortunately it's a lot worse than what we thought. It had been leaking, things hadn't been done right in the first place, no seal for example, and it's basically mean that a lot of the woodwork of our integrated kitchen that we paid extra for is actually now blown, where the water has gotten into it and it's not fitting, and that's how things have now dropped. So not happy about that, but then it just means us that are lazy and paid extra for a little dishwasher because they didn't want to do the dishes, we got to do the dishes. So James kindly done half of them, so I'm going to put them away, do the rest that's out and about. And yeah, we've just gone shopping, just went to the New Iceland in town, got a few of the My Protein meals. They're on the offer, that's 3 for $10, so we'll try them, not for Valentine's meal, but another night this week probably. To be fair, it could end up being on Valentine's Day because I'm going to the football match on Tuesday, so something quick and easy will actually be quite appealing. But yeah, there's quite a nice range. I'll show you afterwards what I got. I've got like a katsu curry one and a pulled pork mac and cheese that Jamie's gonna have, and then we got some more protein yogurts as well. They're just so easy to hit your protein, and that's something that I need to get back into this week after just over a week off on holiday food. Even though I didn't go blown out of proportion, I definitely need to get back tracking this week. So booked in my gym sessions for in the week, little boxer size. So yeah, I'll show you fastly on fast forward me tidying this place up. Are you fucking joking? I do it once a week now. Every Tuesday I do a blitz.
Where?
I do a blitz every Tuesday. Do a room at a time. I always tidy the bedroom, and then I put the more washing and clothes, and then I've cleaned the downstairs loo 3 times. What have you done? Kylie made me a banana protein shake. Half almond milk, half water, a few ice cubes. If you don't know these, you need to know. Amazing. They're my avocado or cucumber saver. Chicken for us and chicken for the little rascals. Come on.
Tots.
Get some exercise in. Good girl. Right, I'm no cleaning queen at all, not even a princess. But if you have not got yourself a Dishmatic, I've got three types. I've got the scrubber. I got the normal. I'm going to change this now because it's getting threaded. And I got the pet one so that you can clean all your pet stuff separately to the human food. Obviously hygienic, but it's still got the scrub on there to get, you know how like the wet food all dries on there. So yeah, I'm just going to change this one now. Click off. Pop that in the bin. And then we've actually got a pink one this time. Just slide in, get the click, and all good to go. And then you can use it 2 ways. If you can use it by putting water and your washing up liquid in there, or you can use it just without that and go with the suds. Like, come on, how cute is this? Got all of mine from Aldi. Disinfectant in with the cleaning tools now. This is old hinge technique, usually overnight, but I'm not doing any more down here now until dinner. Speaking of dinner, I've prepped a little chicken curry. I'll show ya. Doing it in the slow cooker, so we've got chunky chicken breast there, stock. It looks a bit watery at the moment, just purely because we've got a few things left to do, but I like to get the chicken all nice and soaked in with the water first, with the stock and a few of the veg, and all the flavourings, and then I'll add like things like your tomato and some more stock later. But yeah, that's all prepped now. It's on high for this evening. So I'm gonna go have a shower finally after the gym. I thought there was no point doing it when I was coming to clean the kitchen, because you know, you work a bit of a sweat. Yeah, have a shower, then put all my clothes away. Got another lot of washing that's just finished as well. Hey, Bob. Hiya. What's Daddy up to? Hey? What have you been up to? You're just casually there. Right, so I've sorted it all out into piles. There's some bits from holiday. Obviously, I'm not going to put them all neatly yet until I can put everything back into the suitcase and put it under the ottoman. Still things to wash, etc. Undies and comfies, things that need hanging up. They're all jackets or tracksuits. They go in the spare room just because they take up a lot of space. They're my trousers. And then the biggest pile is my gym wear. I do work out quite a bit. I work out three to 5 times a week, so I do get it. But yeah, let's put these all away now. Not long.
Yes.
It's bent the wrong way.
Isn't it for the time being?
So it's evening now. We're just watching a little bit of the Jeremy Clarkson season 2, and then we're gonna watch Love Island Casa Amor. Just gonna get all my bits ready for work tomorrow. I've got my protein oats for in the morning. I'd get them from Aldi. Got the chocolate flavour tomorrow, and then I have this from my protein, which is clear protein powder. So I like squash, and throughout the day I want to obviously hit my protein macros, so I use this in some water, and I'm going to make one of them now so it's nice and cold in the morning so it's ready to sit. One and a half. And then these are the shakers from Aldi. That isn't a noisy one, so it's just got the mixer in the top, which you can take out to wash. Just in with some water, and then you shake it. This is, I think, I want to get it right, so bear with me. 16 grams of protein. No. Okay, it says protein 16 grams and about 11 grams. What does that mean? What does that mean? Oh, okay. So per serving is, which is 16 grams, there's 11 grams of protein in there. So for something that tastes like squash, 11 grams of protein, that's perfect. So yeah, protein, spare clear protein for throughout the week, and then just my dinner in a Tupperware as well. And then you've got to have something sweet. Just going to use these. This one is the mint and caramel flavour. Have one of those. And one of the chocolate fibre nails, only 85 calories. If I didn't have something sweet, I'd go out and buy something. I know what I like. I'm a snacker and I like my chocolate. So if I take it, I'm more likely to stick to plan. That's what we hope. Hope you all enjoy this video and have a lovely start of the week. Valentine's, Galentine's, Palentine's. Yeah, thanks for watching. Like, comment or subscribe, please, if you would like to. And let me know if there's any kind of videos that you'd like to see as well. Give me a little bit of direction would be great.